I'm out here with the Zino. I just want to burn off a battery here just to fly it around a little bit. I haven't flown it that much. I took it up to that lake last week or a week and a half ago or whatever it was with all that damn snow. So let me start some video. You know, you got to go through this GPS accuracy test all the time. Every time. I don't know why you got to do that all the time with this thing. Yay, it's recording. Yes, I want to take off. Look at it dropping. Oh, it almost went to the ground. Oh, I saved it. That's the Zino. It's a Zino, as Gorilla Man says. Gorilla Man called it. It's a Zino. Gorilla Man knows. He knows his Zinos, that's for sure. Okay, so I tried that bright setting on there. I'm going to stop the video real quick, which I did. Now I want to just check a different kind of ordinary color. Now I'm going to put it back to that. Start the video back up. Because I put it on that bright for a minute, because I wanted to see what it looked like, you know. I never tried it out before, so I wanted to check it out. Yes, I'm just mucking around here right now. Like I said, just burning off some of these batteries. Let me see here. Get out to where I'm at here. Oh, here comes some buzzards. Okay. Altitude, with the 40-meter radius. Okay, that'll work. I gotta check these trees, make sure I'm not going to hit any of them. I think I'm up high enough. I didn't like that. Was going behind me. I don't know what's back there, so we'll just cancel that and come back over this way some. I can always reset it. Let's see. Orbit mode. Okay. Huh. I'm not exactly sure how this works now. So, let me see how that works. Okay, so I'm not really sure how that's working there. I'm not a Zino genius like Gorilla Man. Usually on these orbits and these points, they give you some kind of setting where you just take it and go out to whatever. But this one don't seem to be doing that, so yeah, whatever.